Welcome back to SES. Humpback whale. Humpback whale loves to jump high out of the water to make a big splash. Dolphin. Dolphin sleeps with one eye open. This helps them watch for hungry sharks while they rest. Shark. Sharks have thousands of teeth. If a tooth falls out, a new one grows in just one day. Orca. Orca is actually a big type of dolphin. They hunt in groups like a pack of wolves. People often call them killer whales. Sea turtle. Sea turtles drink a lot of salty ocean water. To get the bad salt out of their body, they cry it out through their eyes. Manatee. Manatee eats seagrass like a cow. They move very slowly and are very gentle. Walrus. Walrus uses its long teeth to pull itself onto ice. These long teeth are called tusks. They also use them to fight other walruses. Seal. Seal holds its breath to sleep underwater. They can nap for a long time without breathing air. Polar bear. Polar bear can swim for days without stopping. They have thick fur to keep them warm in freezing water. Beluga whale. Beluga whale are white and look like they are always smiling. They can move its neck and nod its head. Clownfish. Clownfish lives safely inside stinging plants. The clownfish has special slime on its skin so the plant does not hurt it. Seahorse. Seahorse dad carries the baby eggs in his pouch. The mom gives him the eggs, and he keeps them safe. Starfish. Starfish grows a new arm if one breaks off. It does not have blood like humans. Jellyfish. Jellyfish has no brain and no heart. It is mostly made of water. If you take it out of the ocean, it will dry up and disappear very fast. Octopus. Octopus has 3 hearts and blue blood. They are very smart and can solve puzzles. Crab. Crab walks sideways on the sand. They use their hard shell to stay safe from birds. Lobster. Lobster tastes food with its feet. Before they eat something, they step on it to see if it is good. Shrimp. Shrimp has its heart inside its head. They are very small, but swim backward very fast. Pufferfish. Pufferfish turns into a ball when it is scared. It fills its stomach with water to look big. This makes it hard for other fish to eat them. Parrotfish. Parrotfish eats rock and poops out sand. They use their strong teeth to scrape food off coral reefs. Hermit crab. Hermit crab uses empty shells from other animals. When they grow too big, they must find a new, bigger shell. They switch houses very often. Oyster. Oyster makes a pearl from a grain of sand. If sand gets inside its shell, it covers it with a shiny coat to stop the itching. This becomes a beautiful pearl. Clam. Clam can live for more than 400 years. Scientists tell their age by counting rings on their shell. Sea snail. Sea snail carries its house on its back. If danger comes, they pull their whole body inside the shell. Some sea snails are poisonous. Sea urchin. Sea urchin looks like a ball with many spikes. They walk on tiny tube feet that are between the spikes. Horseshoe crab. Horseshoe crab has blue blood. Their blood is very useful for medicine to help people. They have lived on Earth since before the dinosaurs. Whale shark. Whale shark is the biggest fish in the whole world. It is as big as a school bus. But don't worry, it is super friendly. Conch. Conch builds a very strong, heavy shell. People use these big shells as horns to make loud sounds. Swordfish. Swordfish has a long nose that looks like a sword. They use it to slash at groups of fish to catch them. They are very fast swimmers. Hammerhead shark. Hammerhead shark sees all around with its wide head. One eye is on the left and one is on the right. This helps them find stingrays hiding in the sand. Electric eel. Electric eel uses electricity to shock other fish. The shock is strong enough to knock down a horse. Lionfish. Lionfish has pretty stripes but poison spikes. Other fish know to stay away because of their bright colors. Barracuda. Barracuda likes shiny things that look like silver. They have very sharp teeth and swim super fast. Moray eel. Moray eel has a second set of jaws inside its throat. The first jaw grabs the food, and the second jaw pulls it down. They like to hide in holes in the reef. Squid. Squid has eyes as big as a dinner plate. This helps them see in the deep, dark ocean. They also have 8 arms and 2 long tentacles. Mandarin fish. Mandarin fish has the craziest colors in the ocean. It has bright blue and orange swirls all over its body. Yellow tang. Yellow tang is bright yellow, like a lemon. At night, its bright color fades away to a dull brown, so it can hide in the dark while it sleeps. Penguin. Penguin cannot fly, but is a great swimmer. Their wings act like flippers in the water. Sea otter. Sea otter holds hands with friends while sleeping. This stops them from floating away from each other in the current. They look very cute when they float on their backs. Sea cucumber. Sea cucumber throws up its insides to scare enemies. It looks gross, but it saves their life. Cuttlefish. Cuttlefish changes skin color very fast. They can look like sand or rock in 1 second. This is how they hide from danger. Manta ray. Manta ray is huge, but only eats tiny food. They swim with their mouth open to catch plankton. Butterfly fish. Butterfly fish is thin and flat like a pancake. It has a big black spot on its tail that looks like a fake eye. Sea dragon. Sea dragon looks exactly like floating seaweed. It uses this disguise to hide from hungry fish. You have to look very close to see it is actually a fish. Angelfish. Angelfish is flat and thin like a pancake. This shape helps it slip into tiny cracks in the rocks to hide from big sharks. Tuna. Tuna must swim all the time to breathe. If they stop swimming, they will drown. They even swim while they are sleeping. Royal grama. Royal grama looks like a magic trick. The front of its body is bright purple and the back is bright yellow. It looks like 2 different fish glued together. Sea sponge. Sea sponge is an animal but has no face or legs. It sits on a rock and filters water for food. It has been on Earth for millions of years. Blue-ringed octopus. Blue-ringed octopus has glowing blue rings on its skin. If you see the rings flash, run away. It means it is angry and dangerous. Emperor angelfish. Emperor angelfish completely changes its pattern when it grows up. Babies have dark blue circles on their body, but adults have bright yellow stripes. Thanks for watching. If you learned something new, hit that like button and subscribe for more ocean fun.